Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by treating the case as the off switch because AirPods Pro have no physical power button. First, place both stems fully into the charging case and make sure the case closes cleanly. Once done, check the case charge status on your device so the earbuds can enter low power standby. Make sure to stop active audio playback and pause music or calls. This prevents reconnection and lets the AirPods negotiate sleep with the case instead of staying active. Once the AirPods are in the case, you next force a clean disconnection so they stay effectively off. You can either turn Bluetooth off on the paired device or enable airplane mode to drop the link. This prevents immediate wake-ups. If you need them not to resume when removed, disable automatic ear detection in Bluetooth settings so they won't react to wearing. If you want a permanent stop, choose Forget this device in Bluetooth. Just be aware you'll need to repair later. You finish by closing the case and giving the AirPods time to enter low-power sleep, typically several minutes. If they reconnect or behave as if still active, perform a reset. Open the case, hold the rear setup button for about 15 seconds until the LED flashes amber then white, then repair. This clears odd states. If that fails, let the case battery drain fully and then recharge. This often resets firmware power management quirks and stops unintended wake-ups.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.